It's a new year. It's another sighting of Jason Lawrence or J Law talking about racing. Now, obviously, last fall we had this with our Phoenix Honda Racing where he did the GNCC and actually looks pretty good for somebody who's been out of the sport for a very, very long time. But now we have another sighting, another supposed race he's going to be going to, and that's the Loretta Lynn's 25 plus. It's Loretta Lynn's ranch to race the junior 25 plus class in August. I don't understand how that makes sense. Junior 25 plus, who knows? Whatever. But apparently he raced about what 5 weeks ago or something like that from his last Instagram post at the I'm not even gonna try it Southeast Regional ECHECONNEE. I'm not even gonna try to say that. I'm sorry. If you know what it is, comment down below how you say it. But apparently he finished sixth or third, seventh, and sixth for fifth overall, and a fresh ticket to the ranch. And well, in classic, you know, form that he is, he accepted the ticket in typical Jason Lawrence fashion, as you can see right here. And well, who knows? This is obviously in August, so we've still got July for something to go wrong because he had the obviously very professional contract written out on a piece of paper with some scribbles and yeah, some weird stuff. But it's it seems like every year this happens. He disappears, he comes back, he says he's gonna be doing some races, he disappears again, he does a race or two, disappears, and it's just at a certain point, like, move on, man. If you look at a lot of people, they're like, oh, because he had one of the sickest riding styles ever. And it's like, yeah, but does that really like trump being a trash person? I mean, the amount of like problems he had with the law and just you can tell he just doesn't care. Like the Phoenix thing, like here's a ride with somebody that didn't need to give you a pretty good bike and you took it and did well and then said, whatever, and moved on. It to me it's funny. You know, he had all the talent in the world and threw it away to be stupid. I mean, you think at one point he was racing Villapoto and Davalos and Kyle Chisholm and people who, went on to make a ton of money and be big names in this sport. And he threw it away to what, party and get in trouble with the law? I don't know. To me, it doesn't make much sense, but I don't know. In comments below, I want to hear from you guys. Do you think he's actually going to make it? If he does end up going there, how well do you think he does? Whatever it is, comment down below. Are you going to any outdoor races? Are you going to this race and you're going to see him if he does go? Whatever. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.